From bad to worse.
We have 3,397 cases of coronavirus in Victoria. That's 288 more than our last update.
Victoria has recorded a staggering 288 cases, the largest daily increase ever seen in Australia. The record increase pushing the number of active infections up to 1,172. 47 are now in hospital, 9 of those in ICU.
And we will see an increase in hospitalised and ICU cases and in deaths in coming days because of the spike.
Victoria has now seen several triple-digit days in a row. More are expected and the worst is yet to come while the lockdown takes effect.
288 new cases today is a pretty ugly number. We have talked about the fact that we would expect an increase in numbers over time and that there was no room for complacency at any point in time. That's as true today as it's been right up until now. But the effect of the lockdown will really only be seen in the numbers in the next 1 to 2 weeks. So we may well get worse numbers to follow.
Yeah, this is a challenging day. It may get worse before it gets better, but we've got a plan and a strategy, and if we all work together and if we all work hard, then we will get to the other side of this.
The government has issued new advice on face masks due to high levels of community transmission in Melbourne.
Masks in those circumstances where you can't maintain distance will be a feature of our response to the pandemic for the foreseeable future.
It's now recommended but not mandatory to wear a mask in Melbourne and Mitchell for 2 reasons. 1, if you're sick and going to your GP to get a test. 2, if you're in public and can't maintain 1.5 metres of physical distancing.
If you are out in metropolitan Melbourne or Mitchell Shire for a lawful purpose and you don't think you're going to be able to maintain that 1.5 metre distance in a cab, in an Uber, on public transport, maybe at the shopping centre if things were quite busy, then we would ask that you wear a mask.
Even accounting for human error, surgical masks like this one have been shown to stop the spread of coronavirus by up to 60%. And it doesn't have to be a surgical mask. A homemade, reusable, washable mask or even a knitted scarf will also work in a pinch. The government will roll out 2 million reusable masks from next month and has placed an order for 1 million disposable masks to be issued in the meantime.